All right, this is Stacy. Stacy is having some pain in her wrist. So tell us what is painful with the wrist.
So it's tender to the touch.
Okay.
And I can't do push-ups. It's painful with like push-ups or tricep push-downs. Opening doors occasionally. It's just an occasional twinge on it, but definitely tender to the touch.
Okay. So we're gonna have her do kind of a push-up here and see how that does, and then we're gonna do a treatment and see how she does after the treatment. That hurts right there? Okay. All right, we're gonna do one treatment on the FX405 and see how she does. All right, so we just have a few seconds left. We just put Stacy on the wrist and hand setting on the FX405. She's just been sitting here for about 10 minutes. And so what we're gonna have her do in just a second is retest, do that same push-up position, see if she notices a difference. All right, here we go. Push up again. Let's see how that does.
Oh, much better.
Yeah?
Push-up. Yeah, I still feel a little bit of pain.
Yeah.
A tiny bit of tenderness, but it's, wow.
Percentage-wise, what would you say?
Oh, 75% improvement. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
One treatment, yeah.
Awesome.